Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this NuTone Hacienda ceiling fan. This is my second one. Well, I only have one right now, but the other one I sold on eBay about, I want to say a month ago. And that one had a longer down rod. It was on a slope ceiling kit. I got the ceiling fan from the Russian Kinger on eBay. I'll leave a link to his channel down in the description. So thanks to Spencer for this fan. He got 4 of these, one already sold on eBay, and then I got the second one. Came with everything, fully complete, mounting bracket, and even the little latch that goes right here to keep the fan from sliding out of the ball. I just don't have it in there tight. I just have the canopy down, it has the screws right there. And yeah, this fan got a little damaged in shipping, but I managed to fix it. The only thing I didn't fix is there's not a lot of space on this side, and more space on this side, as you can see, so it doesn't scrape, which is a good sign. Then I tightened up the switch housing so it doesn't spin really anymore. But yeah, let's go to low. Here's low. So these fans came in a few different finishes. So this one is featured in white. There's white and brass, antique brass, and then polished brass. These fans aren't the fastest fans in the world. They're very sluggish. All of them are like that. It's a 52-inch fan. The 36-inch ones will go a lot better. Has a very beefy motor in it, and it takes a while to get up to speed. And then I think there was also like this textured bronze finish. They're really rare. I remember seeing one on eBay years ago. It was like a textured bronze, I think it was, I don't know. Go to medium now. Spinning a little? Looks like it was spinning like the whole motor. Just want to make sure it was locked in place. The white ones aren't very common. You usually see these in like antique brass or polished brass most of the times. Here's high. It's a little wobbly, but it's okay. Here's spin down. That was a really short spin down. I don't know if my other one was that short, but I gotta check in the previous video. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.